Hey everyone, this is Eric back with All Replay, back on this 2008 Dodge Nitro. Going to show you how to replace the 120 volt outlet that's in here that's connected to the inverter. So it's pretty simple. I'm going to show you the part number, how to pop it out and replace it. Okay, so the actual Mopar part number is probably the 0508 2095 AB-001. I actually bought this off eBay for like, I don't know, like 15 bucks. Came from a dealership, so I know it's a genuine part. It says genuine parts on it. This is what it looks like right here. It's 115 volt, 150 watt outlet. And you could pop it open and, you know, you could plug a 2-prong into it. And basically there is a 2-wire connector on the bottom of it. And I'll show you ours right here. This one's kind of coming apart. And, you know, basically the easiest thing that I found is that this whole back plastic trim right here just snaps off. So if you just grab like the side of it here, you could pop that loose, and there's basically just 4 metal clips, one on, you know, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, basically holding into this plastic trim on the back of the center console. So that'll probably be the easiest way, is to pop that loose. And then you know, you probably wanted to disconnect this connector here. Looks like there's just a little tab on the orange, and then you could pull that out like that. Should be the same kind of connector as you have. Looks like everything's the same, and you can see how the prongs were just getting weak. It wouldn't hold a outlet, you know, plug into it, and you know, this whole faceplate was popping off. So basically you would just take your new one, and you know, if you pop your old one out, obviously there's tabs on the top here and there's tabs on the bottom. So yours would be probably still sitting in there, and you probably just need to press on the tabs, you know, to push it out from the inside out in a sense. But mine was already coming apart, so go ahead and slide this in here. And I'm just going to pop it in place like that. We'll reconnect the wire, and you know, it only goes in one way, so not like I'm looking at it pretty good right now, but you know, it looks like it goes like this, connects like that, and you just take your plastic trim and pop that back on. So pretty simple, you know. Now we got a good brand new outlet. Kids could tie in their fire tablets and Nintendo Switches and stuff like that, and go from there. So thanks for checking in real quick, how to replace that 115 volt outlet in there. And you know, the next video will probably be flushing out this power steering system, because I'm going to be putting a rack in there and then going from there. So thanks for checking us out. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.